Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sheikh Munir Abdul Rauf, and I would like to thank the Imam Foundation UK for presenting this course over the last 2 years. Generally, when I was given the invitation, alhamdulillah, as a few, to be part of this course, I was very happy because there's a lot of issues within the community which requires expert individuals to assist the community's couples with matters of conciliation, mediation, as well as arbitration. Through the last 2 years of these sessions provided therein, I've received in-depth knowledge concerning the subject matter of mediation, arbitration, as well as the practical procedures that should be followed when establishing an institution to deal with these type of matters. From my side, I'm an imam from the Highlands Waqf Trust, Masjid Rauf in Highlands Estate, and I've seen that many individuals have come with problems concerning marital disputes and other types of mediation. So Alhamdulillah, we thank Imam Foundation for granting me the opportunity to be part of the process. And inshallah, we look forward to working with Imam Foundation and establishing more centers here in Cape Town to take this initiative further. Shukran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.